Bye-bye, Ancona.
Benvenuti a bordo del treno 39-26. Il treno arriverà a Piacenza.
Piacenza. Bye-bye, Ancona.
Good evening. Welcome on board the 3926 train.
Bye-bye. Minuito. Minuito. See you next year. Once a year lang ako magpunta dito. Once a year I come here. Bye bye. See you next year. Last September. Yan o. Order kayo ng ship dito. May pagawaan ng barko dito. Dito sa Ancona. Ay, mga yacht o. Doon o. Doon. Tsaka banda roon may pagawaan ng ayun yun. Pagawaan yun ng mga barko. Bili tayo ng barko. Order tayo dito. Dito tayo. Yan ang CEO. Bye bye Ancona. Bye bye. Ayun o. Arrivederci. Arrivederci is not goodbye. It means you can come back again. Arrivederci. See you soon. Something like that. See you one day. Ganda. See you one day. Yan o, restaurant o. Restaurant. Ayun. Kumusta na kaya ang aking doktor veterinary nasa Malaysia? I remember now here because I said to him, you must go to eat in the floating restaurant. I don't know in Malaysia if there is a floating restaurant. In the Philippines there are many floating restaurant. So I recommend to my doctor, the doctor of Tatino, that helped Tatino still living. So Dr. Franciscini. I hope he is okay in Malaysia now. He was the yes, Malaysia. He left Friday until 15 September. No, 14. He said 15 or 16 I'll be back in the clinic. I hope he is okay in Malaysia. Bye bye. I'll be back in the beach, but not here in Riccione. One day, maybe next week.